We're strong on our brand, and we like to do partnerships and relationships with companies that are strong on their brand, and the Bobcat Company sets that example for us. We look up to companies like the Bobcat Company. My name is Wade Martin. I'm with Martin Landscape, located in Port Royal, South Carolina. Very full-service commercial landscape maintenance and landscape construction business. Martin Landscape prides itself on its core values: passion, pride, teamwork, and relationships. We came up with those as a team. So we've been a Bobcat client since our origination in 2004. Like the Bobcat brand, the service, the dependability. Bobcat came out with lawnmowers. I was the first to look at the WorkSaver magazine and go, oh wow, we've got to check these guys out, because it was time for us to upgrade our fleet. We let our team decide on which machines they liked the best. So we demoed 3 different types of machines. We had the machines brought in, and they chose the Bobcat brand. The simplicity of the machine, simple things like the throttle on the stand-ons. They love it. We're not breaking throttle cables. We have a knob that's very similar to our skid steers. A lot of the things that they've developed and they've made the machine stronger, and we decided that it was the best fit for our company. Having a local Bobcat dealer 30 minutes away was a huge selling factor on going with the new machines.